If you've ever dreamed of publishing an ebook but don't have the time or writing skills, there's now an easier way to do it. With EbookWriter AI, you can create complete, ready-to-publish ebook content in just minutes. No writing required. Here's how it works. You simply choose your topic or niche, and the AI instantly generates a full ebook with chapters, subheadings, and clean formatting. It's not just filler text. The content is written in a clear, engaging way that sounds natural and professional. You can refine it any way you want, adjust the tone, expand certain sections, simplify complex ideas, or even change the writing style. EbookWriter AI takes care of everything, from the structure and flow of your content to the final design. It can even create your cover and insert relevant images automatically. The best part is that when you're done, your ebook is completely ready for publishing. Whether you want to sell it on Amazon KDP, use it as a lead magnet, or include affiliate links for monetization, EbookWriter AI gives you everything you need in one place. Ready to skip the writing and go straight to publishing? Click the link in the description and start creating with EbookWriter AI today.